Hyperliquid could fall 25.2% by August 24, based on Crypto Predictions' outlook. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. Hyperliquid is now up 0.5% since yesterday and trades just under $79.21. Let's review the analysts' latest outlooks. According to Gov Capital, tomorrow's price could hit $89.28. That's around 12.8% above today's level. Hyperliquid could move towards $78.05 according to CoinCodex, a move down close to 1.4%. Crypto Predictions notes it might be on track for $59.24 on the downside, implying a loss of 25.2%. Another prediction by CoinDataFlow expects Hyperliquid may sink to $57.56, roughly 27.3% below now. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a drop of 27.3% to an increase of 12.8%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, CoinDataFlow projects the highest gain with 27.3% increase in value by August 24. In short, you could earn between $14 and $273 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, CoinCodex leads with a 90.8% chance of success. By pulling the forecasts together, I've set out a consensus scenario. The collective forecast highlights Hyperliquid at roughly $71.03. So, let's go step by step. Forecasts combined point to a 10.3% decline in price by tomorrow. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 10.3% too. On an 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $103. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 10.3%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. The short-term stance from Gov Capital is also optimistic. CoinCodex emphasizes a downward trajectory. Additionally, Crypto Predictions forecasts Hyperliquid moving lower. Additionally, CoinDataFlow points to further weakness. Overall, the consensus view indicates Hyperliquid will move lower across this horizon. So, 75% of analysts anticipate Hyperliquid will face downside pressure in the coming 3 days. 4 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. Ultimately, yesterday's final number was $79.34. The closing price showed that every forecast missed the mark. Closest match to the market came from Gov Capital. Let's go through the outcome piece by piece. 2 forecasts were inside the daily move. In terms of ROI, a few analysts achieved profits, with the top performance reaching 2.3%. Now on screen is the summary table. All forecasts lined up for view. Looking at the summary, Crypto Predictions registered minus 7.6% ROI and $18.32 accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow differ among a few cryptocurrencies. Hyperliquid is positioned at 3rd place, with AVE leading overall at 15.4%. For now, we're comparing Hyperliquid with 4 random cryptocurrencies.